A happy morning to everyone. I am Devi Prasanna of grade 12 standing before you as the captain of Topaz House, and I am truly honored to have been chosen for this position. My heartfelt gratitude goes out to all who trusted in me and chosen me to be in this position. My primary focus as a house captain is to ensure every member is being valued and heard and also inspired to give their best. This year, our collective goal is to increase participation in all house events, support one another in sports as well as in academics, and uphold the core values of integrity, teamwork, and respect in everything we do. It has been 7 years since our house came in first position in sports, and this year we are determined to change that. Through dedication and hard work and unity, we will rise together and achieve new heights. Remember that it's not the will to win that matters, it's the will to prepare to win that counts. Let us make this year a memorable one for Topaz House. Thank you.